More random tech arrives at Project Reboot. This week, got a whole load of monitors in a couple of shopping trolleys. What else we got? We've got some keyboards. So it looks like we're going to go through monitor unscrambling today. In a bonus feature here, we've actually now got a tripod where we can borrowed a tripod that we can stand the camera on, so we don't get so much handshake. So we are improving slowly. Hold on, Jacob. Is that? Does it go up any more than that? Oh yeah, brilliant. Right, got them all out here. Hodgepodge of all sorts of makes here. So what's that? That looks like an Acer, Dell, Dell. I mean, they're all like these monitors. They're not widescreens. Most of them aren't widescreens. But you know, that's the nature of our donation business, really. We do find customers for these standard 4x3s quite regularly, and I have got a bulk buyer who will buy all at once. So it's not all loss here. It's not all stuff we can't shift. We've also, so what have we got? Are we rolling down? Are we still in shot down here, Chris? Are we? Yep. Yeah. So we got one widescreen Dell on the end there without a bracket. We have got some brackets came in. Oh, we got two Dells, have we?
This.
Yeah.
Dell.
I mean, they're not big. None of these will have HDMI connections on them. They're all going to be DVIs.
DVI and VGA.
And VGAs, yeah. We've also got this massive A3 inkjet printer come in. Not sure if it's working, so we're going to be getting this running today as well. What do you reckon, Jacob? It's a beast, isn't it? But yeah. So that's something else. Something else we'll be doing today, that is, to test these monitors, which have a kettle lead, if you want to call it a kettle lead, and a VGA. I'm using a pat testing device here to test electrical safety and insulation, and this is the HPAT 500. HPAT 500, not a cheap bit of kit, but we use that. So, and this is from Martindale Electrics, and you get a few things. You get a short little kettle lead. So the idea is that goes in there, thus that end goes into the mains input there. This probe goes in there. We're in shot down here, Jacob?
Yep.
And this goes onto a bit of metal. I always choose the VGA input here. And then we're doing a class 1 test. Do you want to zoom into this, Jacob?
Already.
Right. So it's going to test the earth and the insulation. We only do this for our kit. We don't do pack testing for other places. So please don't ask. That's passed. So that is it. Put a little sticker on it. So that's one part of the test done. We know the other part is just to do a video test. Done, that one. Right, we're going to do a video test. So I'm plugging the VGA cable into the back of my wiping rig, which got VGA output on it. Disable the DVI, and let's chuck that in there. Thus, turn it on. working. Alright, no dead pixels, all looks alright, not scratched, not broken, so I think that's a good monitor, that one. That's a 17-inch Acer, 17-inch Acer, it's alright, 4x3, resolution is 1280 by 1024. So basically, that is going to be the job for the rest of this morning. I'm going to get my lads onto this. That's what we're going to do. Right, there it is. Alright, turn it on, see what happens. Are we on at the mains? Okay.
Oh. Says it's ready.
Alright, we got good black, good cyan. Which one's cyan?
Blue.
What's that one? Red?
Magenta.
Magenta. And yellow. Yellow is not great. Well done, Bernie.
Paper gel.
Up a bit. That is no good. It's knackered. Every time we get a printer in, it's normally an A4 printer, and they normally get inkjets and they ran out of ink. Or if they're laser jets, they haven't got any toner in them. I'm on the way, Jacob. And it's a waste of time. This is a typical example today. We've got an A3 printer. It's already jammed. Although that might be because we've got some damp paper in there. But we're going to go for another test print. Should resolve itself, shouldn't it?
When it's ready. Yeah.
Printers are an absolute nightmare for us. Very rarely do we get a nice laser colour toner printer in, and if we do get one of those, we'd normally use it for my own workshop printing.
Ready?
Yeah. Engage.
Warp factor 0.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Is it yielding?
Yep. Very slowly.
So at least it's working, which is a bonus. It's an A3 printer, colour, but are we going to use it? That's just wasted half an hour. So, monitor testing, not very exciting, but it's all we've had in this week. It's been a bit, you know, we haven't had much coming in this week, so we're kind of clearing the decks really. So I hope you've enjoyed our video today. Please give us a thumbs up if you've liked this, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.